Hi, class. Dr. Morton here. So, I wanted to take a few minutes to kind of frame our first discussion and connect it to what you're learning in in chapter one of the textbook. So, early in the chapter, organizational behavior is defined as this systematic study of how individuals and groups behave within organizations and how organizations function. So, it's important because organizations are not just structures or processes. They're made up of people with attitudes, motivations, and behaviors, and that shapes the outcomes every day in the workplace. Organizational behavior kind of gives us the tools to understand those dynamics rather than relying on our assumptions or personal experience. In chapter one, the emphasis is that the workplace is changing. Organizations today face rapid changes in technology, shifting workforce expectations. We're dealing with remote and hybrid work, and we're seeing increasing pressure to do more with fewer resources. So these changes can create stress on systems, roles, and relationships. Studying organizational behavior kind of helps leaders and employees respond more effectively to those pressures by understanding how people react to change, how teams function, and how leadership decisions influence performance and morale in organizations. You may also notice that this course includes some research methods early on, and that is intentional. Organizational behavior is not common sense, right? Many widely held beliefs about motivation, leadership, and teamwork are incomplete or inaccurate. And research methods allow us to test our ideas, to evaluate evidence, and to distinguish between what feels true and what is supported by data. Um, you will see how the scientific method is used in organizational research to build reliable knowledge that managers can apply in real settings. Um, I am a qualitative researcher and I occasionally do research that's associated with things like workplace attitudes and motivation and views about leaders and leadership behaviors. So I'm hoping to be able to kind of interject in some of our discussions, some of my research experience. So, as you work through your discussion post, think about how organizational behavior kind of helps explain challenges your organization is facing and why investing in this knowledge makes sense, especially during times of constraint. So, focus on connecting the concepts in chapter one to real organizational problems, not just definitions. Anyway, I'm looking forward to reading your post and interacting with you. And remember that if you have any questions or concerns, I'm available via the Canvas inbox. I'm here to help, so reach out as needed. Thanks. Bye.